Hello guys. In this tutorial I'll explain how to install the Love2d library on Windows. Firstly, open your browser and go to the love2d.org. Link is in the description. Download the installer that's compatible with your operating system. I already have it downloaded. Once it's finished downloading, run the installer. I recommend leaving the destination folder as default. Once it's finished installing, go to the destination folder. In this case it's in Program Files, then Love. Right-click on Love.exe, then click on Show More Options and create shortcut. This should create a shortcut on your desktop. Create a folder and name it however you want. Make a text file and name it exactly main.lua. Click on Yes to change the file extension. Now open the file. In Love, there are three main functions you need: Love.load, Love.update, and Love.draw. Love.load is the function that fires before the game runs, so it's basically the starting point of your game. Love.update is the function that fires every frame. Love2d is locked on 60 frames per second, which means that the Love.update function fires 60 times per second. Love.draw is used to draw graphics to your screen like cubes, triangles, or squares. In Love, you don't have to program your own window, it does it all for you. If you want to change the title of your window, this is how. Save your file and open your desktop. Drag your folder in the Love.exe shortcut. As you can see, it automatically made a window and I set its title to Tutorial. If you're on VS Code, I highly recommend you getting the Love2d support extension and the Lua extension. This is how we display text on the window. Remember, if we want to display something like text or shapes, it has to be in the Love.draw function. That'll be it with this tutorial. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching. Bye.